आतां खबरो विस्तारान. क्रॉस वॅन्डलिझमाचेर फॅक्ट कमिटी जी पोट वेंचणुका पयलीं स्थापीत केल्ली ताचेर भाजपा पक्षान स्पश्टीकरण मागलां. राज्यांत धार्मीक प्रतिकांची जी तोडफोड जाल्ली तांचेर पुलिशेन आरोपीक सोदून काडिल्लो. मात तरी आसतना कसली फॅक्ट कमिटी स्थापीत करपाची गरज आसा काय म्हण प्रश्न कुडचडेंचे आमदार निलेश काब्रालान मांडला. आरडेक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
CHJP आणि कोण तरी रिपोर्ट हाडलो की वॉट एवर पुलीस आर डुईंग वेर नॉट करेक्ट आणि दे सेड दॅट दे हॅव फावंड सम फॅक्ट फायंडींग कमिटी. म्हाका सांग, आमचो गोंयचो गव्हर्मेंटान आमचो पुलीस मिशनरी आसा, आमचे बाकीचे मिशनरी आसा हू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम. ही फॅक्ट फायंडींग कमिटी कोण आणि तांकां ऑथॉरिटी कोणें दिली टू मेक बॅलन्स स्टेटमेंट्स अगेन्स्ट द पुलीस मिशनरी. And if they have any facts, they should have brought to the notice of the police department instead of coming openly on statements during the election time, which was very wrong, trying to polarize the votes. CHGP on their report in a fact-finding committee, they said because it is in my constituency which was desecration happening the most. They say that they came to the place where most of the desecration happened. They met the various politicians and met every people. And what they found was that person was very non-violent. This particular person, as far as everybody's knowledge is concerned, in 2000, before a few years back, he was 3 years inside a prison for shooting somebody with a gun. And what is the non-violence in this? They are also making statements that his family members are all saying that he is a good person. If that was so, then why was he put in prison before? What is the fact they found in this fact-finding report of theirs? Why they have not brought that report? Number one, they say that SIT should be formed under the supervision of the High Court and the Supreme Court. So every time SIT for anything will be formed. We have already congratulated the police department in the assembly. Here also we had congratulated the police department for taking to the logical end. Secondly, I will like to talk about the magazine which is there in my hand, the Renevasam. This was published by Diocesan Center for Social Communication for the Archdiocese of Goa, Daman. Administrative office is located in Archbishop's house, where they say the country is being ruled by one or two men and the rest are merry henchmen and running dogs. Please don't vote for a person who is a merry subletum of such individuals. What is this nonsense? Corruption is a very bad combination. The words of Nazism. What is Nazism? Who was Nazism? Hitler was part of that. See, Archbishop is a very good person. I am not saying that he is part of this. But when such a magazine comes from the Archbishop's house, I feel that the church should take care when they are publishing not only this, various other magazines, at what time, what they do, what is published and how it is circulated. The Roman Catholic Church, when they publish it from the Bishop house, considers it a reverend document and they adhere to that. So polarization, who is trying to do polarization, it is for you to decide who is doing.